56. Gratitude. One of the things commanded by Scripture is gratitude, a thankful spirit towards all men, but especially the Lord. For example, Psalm 104 says, "Be thankful unto him and bless his name." Concerning the reprobate, Paul says, "They glorified him not as God, neither were thankful." Romans 1:21. My wife Dorothy recalls with pleasure a black woman, a hospital worker, who exclaimed joyfully and gratefully, "You saved me, Lord, and you'll never hear the end of it." Such is a thankful spirit. What about yourself? Does the Lord hear any exuberant thankfulness from you, or does he rather hear sourness, discontentment, bellyaching and complaining? All too many church people look sometimes as though they were sucking lemons before they walked into church. Such people dishearten a pastor before he opens his mouth. More important, they don't please God. The church wasn't created to be the international society of lemon suckers, but the joyful fellowship of the redeemed of the Lord. How about changing your membership from the lemon suckers to Christ's congregation? Begin by feeling and showing thankfulness to the Lord. Lemon sucking is more likely to do harm to us than a grateful heart. There's an old hymn based on Psalm 138 which should prompt us to gratitude. With grateful hearts my thanks I bring, before the greats thy praise I sing. I worship in thy holy place, and praise thee for thy truth and grace.